Hello and welcome. Today we're talking about something that is changing the business world, AI tools. Whether you're a small business owner, freelancer, or just exploring new ideas, this is for you. You'll learn what AI tools are, why businesses are using them, which tools you can start with, and step-by-step guidance to apply them in your own work. What are AI tools? AI stands for artificial intelligence. It's a smart technology that imitates human intelligence. AI tools can write content, design images, respond to customers, analyze data, create videos, and even help with marketing and automation. These tools are now available to everyone, not just big companies. Benefits of using AI in business. AI can give your business a real advantage. Saves time by doing repetitive tasks for you. Increases productivity. One person can do more with AI, reduces costs. Fewer employees needed, improves customer experience through 24/7 support, gives smarter decisions by analyzing data patterns. Popular AI tools for business. Here are some easy-to-use AI tools you can start using today. ChatGPT for writing emails, blog posts, customer replies. Canva AI for designing social media posts and graphics. Pictory.ai turns text into videos. Jasper.ai writes ads, product descriptions, and sales pages. Grammarly fixes grammar and improves your writing. Zapier Plus AI connects apps together and automates workflows. Tidio Mini-Hat AI chatbots to answer customers on your website or Facebook. Real business example using AI. Let's say you run an online clothing store. You could use ChatGPT to write your product descriptions, Canva to make beautiful Instagram posts, Tidio chatbot to answer customer questions instantly, Zapier to connect your store to Google Sheets and automate your order tracking. This setup can save you hours every day and keep your business running smoothly even while you sleep. How to get started with AI tools. Here's how to begin. Even as a beginner, find your problem. What tasks are slow, boring, or repetitive? Start with free versions. Most tools offer free plans. Watch YouTube tutorials. Learn how to use each tool step by step. Try and test. Don't be afraid to experiment. Be safe. Don't upload private or sensitive data into AI tools. Conclusion: AI isn't just for tech experts. It's for everyone. By learning these tools, you can grow your business, offer smarter services, or build a career in the digital world. Start small, learn daily, and soon you'll see real results. If you want a tutorial for each tool or a free starter guide, leave a comment below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.